How to change Twitter X username. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your X or Twitter application. Tap this one. And then once you launch your application, you have to make sure that this one is up to date or you're using the latest version of this application. Tap home and then click your profile at the top left corner. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is scroll down and then tap the settings and support and then click settings and privacy. Now you have to tap your account and click account information. And there you can see your username. You have to tap it one and then you just have to think of that username here, okay? Anyways, if your username is unavailable, they will tell you that this username is unavailable. That means somebody has already used this username. So you have to think of something unique, something new, and as much as possible, not easily or it cannot be easily hacked by someone. For example, this one, you will see this check icon here. So that means this one is okay. So once done, all you have to do is to click done and there. That's how you change your username in Twitter or X. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.